of the Groundwater Reinforcement Project, Ghail Bawazir, Al Huma Basin, Water Harvesting System Project. The region of Ghail Bawazir and its surrounding countryside was characterized by the abundance of surface water flows, springs, and aflas, as well as the abundant quantities of groundwater since the beginning of the last century. In the past, this area was like oases in which several crops were grown, the most important of which was date palms, as this region formed a food security site for Hadhramaut through the production of large quantities of dates as one of the most important products on which Hadhramaut residents depend for their food. The idea of recharge lies in the process of what is known as flood irrigation, by taking advantage of the torrential waters that pass through Wadi Jid, which is about 4 kilometers away from the natural recharge area of the water basin, where a rubble barrier will be built in the middle of the valley's course, covered with a layer of gabion netting and protected with a layer of ordinary concrete, as this barrier will transform part of the floodwater, most of which goes to the sea, into a main channel about 4 kilometers long and 8 meters wide. Here there is a barrier 1 meter high. This barrier works by filtering water from the waste coming with it. Then the water in this channel is divided into 2 sub-channels that lead the water to natural traps called Dum and Kaw. And directs the water to the site of cracks and surface pits which in turn will seep water into the lower layers and raise the groundwater level. This project aims to benefit from rainwater to enhance the level of groundwater for this water basin. Especially since the recent period and since 2008, Hadhramaut witnessed several floods, hurricanes, and heavy rains due to the climatic changes that the whole world is witnessing, which encourages the need to benefit from part of this water, most of which goes to the sea. It is worth mentioning a review of this phenomenon to show the importance of speedy intervention in this project. 2008 major floods that included most of Hadhramaut province, 2010 heavy rains, 2015 cyclone Shabala included the coastal areas, 2018 hurricanes Meg and Lubin, 2020 heavy rains,